What's up, guys? Welcome to 12M Hustle. It's been a minute. Hope you guys have been good. This year, I have transitioned over to trading live on my personal broker. I am using Ninja Trader, and I will be breaking down weekly with you guys how my week goes and how much I make and how much I lost. So, let's start off with this is basically going to be a weekly vlog. Might turn into a daily vlog, just depends, but we'll start the vlog. Here we go. So this is my Discord, 12M Hustle. I'm the only one in it. I just do it. It's easier for me to journal, track my stuff. So as you guys can tell, this is my setup here. You guys can check out my setup. That's how many screens I have. And this is where we're at. We'll start off with day 2. I don't think I recorded day 1. I didn't. So, um, yep, didn't. Okay, so this was right here. 311. I did Asia market trade. This was the setup. I took a short underneath previous day low and I hit it. And I'm actually watching Asia market right now, actually, as I'm doing this video. So I'll just put on a trade there. See if that works. Anyways, so here we go. So previous day low, I took the short. It was also under profile. So we took the short. We got it. We covered at the weekly low, and that was it. So that was the game plan for that. Here it is. Here's my live account. That's what it was at the beginning of it. Okay. We're going to go on to the 11th. And then I put some more money in there. And this, I actually ended up that day 291. Took a couple other scalps. So wasn't bad. And then this is another trade I took during the week. Previous day low. This was New York. Took a short. Most of my trades have been on the short side just because I am a better short trader. That's just the way I am. I'm a better short trader. So it has been a lot of shorting this past week, the last week. So I'll be breaking down these videos usually weekly, maybe daily, just depends on how I feel. So this short was about 8 o'clock, 7:30. Took a short here, covered that previous day low, ended up bleeding off the rest of the day. So probably missed that opportunity, but it is what it is. That day was right over here, 291. Then see here, that was like a 336 day, so 8/4/18. And then we had another on the 12th. We had a $160 day, and then took a couple shorts here. Sometimes I trade on TradingView, sometimes I trade on Ninja. Just depends. We took, what did we take? We took this one, took a short here. Like this actually was a long. Took the long, ripped that previous day high, and then once we saw a breakdown, we shorted again, and then covered the drop. So pretty much sticking to like 2 trades, and I was in and out. And then here was another more into it, ended up being 188. Again, that was the second move there. You guys can tell that's the second move. Boom, boom. Like I said, I'm actually trading Asia market right now as I'm recording this video. Took a short. Max size that I'm doing on this account is 6 micros, and I have a daily stop loss of about 1200. So just FYI. Looks like Asia wants to drop. Waiting for a drop here. See if we get it. See if we either get a double bottom or if we get a fail here. We'll see if that happens. Anyways, back to this. We got, here was another, I believe this was the same trade, the 12 actually, and I added a little more on that day. That was 222. So ended up being 200 days. And I'm just scalping. Just scalp, add to a position, scalp, add to a position, and just, that's all I'm doing. I'll take small little hits throughout the day, Asia market, New York market, and it adds up. I mean, right, like I said, right now, I'm waiting to see if we get a flush here. If not, a little bit of a flush. Cool. So I got a little more on that. Now I'll actually show you that right now, guys. So I'll show you that trade live actually. So boom, here's a trade that I just took right now. Live account, couple commissions, nothing crazy. So I'll be done with it for Asia market, and I'll move over to New York tomorrow. Usually Mondays I take it I'm pretty small size, but that was a good trade. And then like a key thing about that I did out through week, or I usually do when I'm doing personal accounts, because I left the whole prop game, prop firm stuff. I'm just doing my account. Is when you're growing a small account, it's just take your W's, right? Base hits do add up, so they do add up. You just have to know that they add up. So you can tell here, see they all add up, and I put my breakdown there, and then as well as on the 13, this was New York open, shorted, covered. Of course, it kept bleeding off, so I missed that move, but it is what it is. No big deal. Ended up that day 182. So it's much easier when I come into New York session with a little bit of profit from my Asia market, right? So like right now I'm up like $50, right? Did like $30 in commissions. It's pretty good, 2 for 1 basically. So that's kind of what I try to do, and then I'll just wait for New York. If there's an opening, then I'll take it and I'll short or long, whatever's set up. So there's the 13, and I believe this was the 14. Here's the 14. Here was the setup. I had the line drawn pretty much along that, and then that's it. Here's the payout. Basically 1 week of work. Here's the payout right here. Boom. Ninja Trader. Boom, boom. There's my name. That's the amount that hit my account. So not bad for. I probably traded probably like 3 or 4 hours through the whole week. I hit a little bit on Asia, hit a little bit on New York. If nothing's set up in New York, it's okay, because the night before I usually have a little bit of, have a little commissions made up. So it's kind of what I'm doing right now. But that is pretty much it, guys. Try to keep it pretty simple. Like I said, this is my Discord. I just have me in it. I have my short plays, my long plays, crude oil when I short it. Maybe I'll open it up to the public. I don't know. If I do, I don't know if I want to charge, because I don't want, butt faces to come in here and talk BS. So if I do ever open it up, maybe I'll open it up. I don't know. But it's just better for me to do my plays, YouTube content, payouts when I was doing prop firms, same thing. So ES trading, back tests. I did a lot of back tests for my strategy, trading day winning, like I said, when I was doing prop, mindset stuff, got some mindset stuff. Sometimes I update news, but, and then, sim trading. This was one of my last ones with Tradeify. Small caps. I used to trade small caps, but it's been a minute. Sometimes I'll dabble in it, here and there. But it's been a minute. Maybe I'll go back to it. We'll see. We have, just this, stuff like this going on. So this was actually back on 12/12. That was a nasty day right there. I got smoked that day. Yeah. I think I ended up, I was up. Yeah, I was up like 15,000. I was up like 2,600 that day. And I ended up losing that day. So that was a big kick in the nuts. But yeah, that was the last time I did December 10th. Yeah. Last year. But same thing. I ran it up pretty well. I did a lot of short plays on the open, a lot of short plays, ran it up. Of course, I got a lot of withdrawals from this. So when I ended up losing that amount, I had already doubled the account. So I had already made 15,000. So I was still up on the account like $6,000 after that big loss. But here's some more live plays back when I was doing it. Boom, boom, boom. I do a lot of shorting. It just comes from basically small caps. Shorted, boom, boom. Sharp gap. See, Boom, boom, boom. Live. I took a loss there. That day was loss. Boom. A lot of green, more green. Boom, boom. Yeah, I just love it. I mean, love trading. It's great. But this is what it is, guys. I just want to do a weekly recap. Keep it short for you guys. It's been about 10 minutes. And that is it. I'm out. I'll see you guys next week. We'll see how this week rolls. But I'll either grow the account or I'll either just do this weekly, taking out whatever I make and just take the funds out. Reason it helps the Mento is because if you have a small account, you just don't oversize. I also set up a max limit with my broker for 6 micros max, and then like I said, daily loss of 1300. So keeps me from messing up. But that is about it, guys. Actually, I'll show you the trade that I took. So my short was right here. I actually had even an alert right there to cover. So I had taken it right here, and I had just covered that because I was looking at a breakup structure. I'll show you guys on a 15 real quick. Boom. So I was looking for a break here. So when this candle broke, I shorted it, and I just covered the drop. And it's mainly because I don't know if we're going to get to prior London high, and we have previous day high up here. So we'll see. I'm good. Made $85. See if anything shows up for tomorrow. But you guys have a good one. Stay blessed. If you guys like what I do, make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace.